This is how you make a felt Easter bunny, and the tools and items you need are going to be scissors, needles, different sizes, thread, different colors, cotton to fill it, and as well as your felt. I got these fairly cheap, like $3 for both. And then a pattern, a template you can get off the internet, but I didn't have a printer, so I just got little like a paper bag and a pencil, and then just drew them by hand, and then cut them out, made the shapes, and then now we're going to go ahead and stitch it all together, so stay tuned. You have buttons, or you can stitch the eyes. These clear blue ones. Here's where things get a little complex. You take the panels that you've stitched and you put them inside out, or reverse, and you stitch the edge so that you can flip it internally and then it'll be stitched reverse. This is how the Easter bunny turned out. I think it came out pretty nice. There's the back side of him. Little tail. His head's a little wobbly, but he's cool. It's been a couple years since I picked up a needle and cut some felt, but it was fun. And here's the template. Hope you guys enjoyed.